My name is Nellie.
My name is Jennifer.
My name is Julie.
And so the project we worked on was the Jedi Rider. And so during this project, we basically created a robot that could write its own words. So we did Jedi, and then we did physics because Herman wanted us to do another one. Some things we found hard with this project is we originally did it vertically, but we could not get it to work because you can't have the robot does not put enough pressure on the marker to write vertically, so we had to go back to this.
So how's this work?
Okay, so how this works is basically we have a horizontal and a vertical thing, so where it can go horizontal and vertical, and then that's how it'll write each letter.
Okay. And what'd you do in the code?
Okay, so for the code, what we did, we made a bunch of functions. So we originally made functions we made vertical, reverse, horizontal, and horizontal reverse so that it could go any direction. And then we made functions for each letter. And how we did this, we did it with the wait function. So it would wait a certain amount of seconds before doing the next one. So we made that for each letter. And then we had two different functions to actually write the letters, which was Jedi Writer and Physics Writer, and then we would put them in our main function and then play the main function.
So you can just comment out one if you write the other one?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so what are we going to spell first here?
Physics.
I know a person named Judd, so they'll be happy about it.
Oh. Just a little bit of the S.
That's not bad. Physics. Okay. All right, anything else?
Nope. That's it.
That's it, huh? Okay, nice job.
This is our Jedi Rider.
I'm Philip Down.
Oh yeah, I'm Zach Forpaw.
I'm Anna Sordara.
So we did Jedi Rider, and this is our code. Basically, each one is based off a position, and the definitions for each letter for Jedi. Right there, and then we kind of replicated of a 3D printer, in which this motor rotates it this way, and this motor moves it this way, and then this motor moves the pen up and down. The hardest part was just this pen thing, moving up and down, or rotating, whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try it right now.
Hey,
Dude. Whatever.
That's supposed to say Jedi?
Yeah.
what do you mean?
It's a
No,
cool
looks
I don't know why that J kept on doing that.
Yeah.
I think it was,
also
I think it was working better a long time ago.
I know, because I switched this motor the other way.
So then because that stuff up there is just trying to, when it flips up
Yeah.
the marker, it draws a line.
The other one flipped over this way, so it wasn't that bad.
Okay. All right.
I'll take it.
Nice job.
Oh,
Jedi Rider number 2.
And now we can take it.